Okay, today I want to talk a little bit about something called vertical carbon feed. You know, I forgot to TM that. It's actually our little thing. This is something that I don't think anybody else does it in the area. They may. This is something that I learned out west years ago. Let's talk about, this is our plant and this is our soil. Obviously, these are the roots. Around the roots, every plant requires fungi, the blue circles, and bacteria, the red circles. These are the important ones. There's other microbes in the soil, but these are the ones we're going to focus on. These feed the plant. They have a symbiotic relationship with the plant. So what we need to do, the more fungi and bacteria you have in the soil, the more organic and rich the soil is, okay? Now, there's one way to do it, which is sometimes people will inject microbes into the soil, but they're not native, so it doesn't always take. So what we came up with was the vertical carbon feed. And what we do is we will spray the plant with a product. It's kind of a sugar shot. It's a bunch of energy. That sugar goes onto the leaves and it works its way down the plant and it comes down to the roots. Now, roots are always exuding or sweating out carbon. That feeds the fungi and the bacteria. They feed off this carbon, okay? Well, this kind of magnifies that process so that now there's a lot more energy and food source for the microbes in the soil. They can multiply on their own and become more intense. And what we end up with is a more organic soil and a more dense root mass than we had before. Now, why do we want more dense root mass? Because what that does is that helps any plant get through stress. So if we apply this in fall and the root mass intensifies over the course of the winter, the next season, if we encounter a drought or some kind of harsh condition, the plant is better able to get through that difficulty. That is the real benefit of a vertical carbon feed.